Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, for those of you who have a BMW, Model E39, from the 5 Series, and you have problems with the ABS module. In this case it is the reference that ends in 001. Like the one I have here in this photo, the reference of this is 0265-223-001. This ABS module can be exchanged for any other whose reference ends in 001. Okay, the references are all compatible, as long as they end in 001. This ABS module does not have to be coded. Once the faulty module has been replaced by another that works correctly, you will see that the light that indicates the fault goes out on the dashboard of the car. If it were the next ABS module, 002 and 005, then, yes, it would have to be encoded, but in this module, no. As I said, they are all compatible if they end in 001. Well, here you have the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.